Hi everyone, my name is Ale Gambini and I'm the author of the food blog BreadLoveAndDreams. And I'm so happy to host the first episode of my new cooking web series, A Queen in the Kitchen, based on my very first cookbook, A Queen in the Kitchen. I dedicated this book to the northern Italian cuisine, in particular to the cuisine of my hometown Milano. And I have included all the recipes I've learned to cook from my beloved grandmother, Nonna Fernanda. Today I'm gonna cook for you and with you my favorite antipasto, cocktail di Gamberetti, the shrimp cocktail. And this is one of the most famous Italian antipasto, especially during special occasions such as wedding reception or Christmas dinner. So let's start together. For this recipe we need 1.5 pound of bay shrimps, 3/4 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon brandy, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons ketchup, and salt to taste. First of all, we need to boil the gamberetti. I already cleaned, washed and boiled the gamberetti. They're gonna be a little bit less than 1.5 pound because you have to clean and devein the whole thing. So you can also substitute for a fancier version of this dish the bay shrimps gamberetti with prawns or scampi, the huge and fancier one. Then we start to prepare the sauce, the cocktail sauce, which is very simple. You just need to put all the ingredients and then give it a good stir. For the cocktail sauce, first of all, we put the mayo. In Italian, we call it mayonnaise. Then we add extra virgin olive oil, then we add the brandy, and remember, for a kid-friendly version, do not add the brandy. Then we add the Worcestershire sauce, very tricky to pronounce for me that I'm Italian, the ketchup, and let's give it a stir to have a nice and a creamy sauce. Then I'm gonna put the salt after and see if I need some salt or not. Sometimes you don't need it at all, so give it a stir, keep it always very smooth. You can see a little lump, you have to try to eliminate all the lumps. And stir. Let me just taste if it's good. I'm gonna add just a little pinch of salt. Okay, I already like it. This is one of my favorite dish because in my family, we always make cocktail shrimp for Christmas. Every Christmas, the cocktail shrimp was on our table. The texture should be very creamy and the color would be kind of light orange, not too reddish. Okay, now that the cream is very, you see, it's very smooth and nice, you see, very creamy. Now it's time to add the fresh shrimps. Remember always to get fresh fish. And let's stir, give it a nice stir. Everything should be very well combined, very smooth. And you know, I learned a trick from my Nonna Fernanda. For a very smooth sauce, add extra virgin olive oil. It looks beautiful and I'm sure it tastes delicious. Can't wait to try it. So, our shrimp cocktail is ready. Now comes the funniest part, to plate the dish. So we're gonna need some salt, some lime slices, and some margarita glasses. Let's start putting some lemon juice around the rim of the margarita glass. See? Then we're gonna put into the salt, as I would do like for a real margarita cocktail. Then just tap, so the excess of salt is gonna fall. And then we add the shrimps. I think your guest will gonna love it. Voila! Remember that this is just an appetizer, so we don't want to overload our guests. And this recipe yields about 4 to 6 people. And let's finish the dish with a nice slice of lime or lemon. Voila! The cocktail is ready. Il cocktail di Gamberetti è pronto. And remember to store in the refrigerator if you are not using right away. So let's try, because I love to cook, but I also love to eat. It is good, it tastes good. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of A Queen in the Kitchen, and if you liked it, please share and give us a thumbs up. Buon appetito!
A queen in the kitchen.